Hi everyone, my name is Abena Palmore. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, Diva Advanced Stylist, and holistic practitioner of trichology. You may know me here on YouTube as the creator and founder of Embrace Natural Beauty YouTube channel. I am reaching out to you today as I have launched a new website called washandgonaturalhair.com that will showcase natural hair in its varieties of lengths, textures, and densities and curl patterns. And as a professional, I have been demonstrating my own work here on YouTube in a very detailed manner, but on my platform washandgonaturalhair.com it's going to be even more detailed. I invite you to partner with me at washandgonaturalhair.com as a video producer. If your content is what my membership is looking for, then we will certainly make arrangements to purchase your material to be presented on the site. I will go more into detail about what the criteria is, but I'll let you know in advance we're not looking for sponsorship videos. We're looking for your best work. We're looking for high quality demonstration of you achieving the wash and go hairstyle and maintaining it over the course of a minimum of 5 days or more. So this is an opportunity when you have a combination that works very well for you to go ahead and produce a video showing that, and I will go more into detail about the criteria of what I'm looking for. And you can come on over to washandgonaturalhair.com and take a look at the material I've been presented, because it's pretty much along that theme. So I look forward to receiving your applications, and I look forward to hearing from you and to partnering with you and being able to provide the content that each of our members are looking for that represent their own natural hair. Thank you.